And we are in front of the Dethleffs Globebus Performance 4x4 that was actually spec'd and released, I think, at the CMT Stuttgart 2025. And I didn't have so much room to film it there, but we shall be filming it right now. So yeah, it's an 4.5 ton van, or half integration van, and we shall be entering inside because it's based on the crafter. And entering inside, we are looking in wide lounge area, but there is no drop-down bed, so take note, this will be mostly for 2 or 3 people. And inside we have the standard crafter new design with pretty good storage units and storage units all around here. Then we have the control panel, additional kitchen putting, 2 burners, sink, and 2 cabinets for your kitchen belongings. Under it we have 3 cabinets for your kitchen stuff and an additional big cabinet on this side. And the sitting area is extremely wide, not bad at all. Then from this side we have a pretty interesting design with the toilet, also swivel toilet, so when you need to take a shower you will be pretty much comfortable doing that. Also the height, well, I'm 184 centimeters, so I'm hitting the ceiling, take note about that. And then taking this part like that, you can take your toothbrush going and have your stuff done at the Dethleffs toilet. On this part we have the towering Dethleffs fridge, 138 liters, and a small unit like this here, but we have additional storage compartment here and it's illuminated, and additional storage compartment right here, big one. And longitudinal beds that should be pretty long, measuring 2.0 from this side and measuring approximately 1.923, and the widest part we are measuring about 2 meters, so pretty big, large bedding unit. And getting on the back, we are checking out the garage, and the actual garage is also 2 meters wide, and the actual widest part is 0.9. On the lower part we are measuring 69 centimeters. There you have it. And 4x4 adventure semi-integrated camper Globebus Performance 4x4.